Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builder Mode. Builder Mode is your essential tool for crafting detailed environments and structures. It provides unparalleled control over object placement, rotation, and scaling. You can typically access it through the main menu or by pressing a specific hotkey. Understanding these fundamental steps will empower you to begin creating your unique designs with confidence and precision. Once in Builder Mode, mastering the core controls is key. You will use your mouse to select and move objects around your space. To achieve the perfect orientation, rotate items along their X, Y, and Z axes using designated key presses. Furthermore, you can precisely adjust an object's size, making it larger or smaller to suit your creative needs. To elevate your building, explore advanced techniques. Snapping features allow objects to align perfectly, ensuring clean edges and precise connections. You can group several objects together, treating them as one unit for easier movement or modification. Duplicating objects is also a huge time saver, letting you quickly replicate elements without rebuilding them from scratch. For the most efficient building experience, always plan your projects. A clear vision helps streamline the process and reduces rework. Remember to save your progress often. This protects your hard work from unexpected interruptions. Finally, do not be afraid to experiment with all the available tools. Discovering new combinations and techniques will unlock your full creative potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.